Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to repair corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office documents. When you open an Office document, and it says there is unreadable content in Office file, how can you recover the document content? Here, you can learn the guide to get back the original content from the damaged document with iSunshare Office Repair Genius. iSunshare Office Repair Genius is the 3-in-1 file repair tool that can help to get back original content from the damaged MS Office file. You can download and install it from iSunshare.com. Now open the software and add the corrupted Office file to repair. Soon, the damaged Word file is recovered. You can save it on a folder and rename it. After that, open the file to have a check. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.